The Vision project window is used to manage the active project loaded on the Vision server. You can access the Vision project window under the Vision pull-down menu. The Vision project window will not display project information until GDS connects to the Vision server using the Vision toolbar. The Vision toolbox displays all available Vision tools that can be added to your project. Simply double-click on a Vision tool to create a new instance. Each Vision tool is associated with a camera on the Vision system. When creating a new Vision tool, the Vision tool will be automatically associated with the selected camera in the camera display window. When a Vision tool is created, it will be displayed in the Vision tool section. The Vision tool section contains all instances of Vision tools associated with the current project. The active Vision tool can be executed by pressing the Run button on the toolbar in the Vision tool section. The Vision tool display will highlight any Vision tools that are associated with the camera currently selected in the camera display window. Any Vision tools associated with a non-selected camera will be dimmed. When a Vision tool is run, the camera associated with that Vision tool will be made active in the camera display window. Vision tools are grouped by the Vision tool type in the Vision tool section. The Process Manager section of the Vision project window displays the processes in the Vision project. Processes are lists pointing to the Vision tools that you have created in the Vision tool section. After creating a new process, you can simply drag and drop Vision tools onto a Vision process to add them to that process. You can use the up and down arrows to reorder the Vision tools in the process. When a Vision process is executed, the tools are executed starting at the first tool in the list and working down. You can remove a Vision tool from a Vision process by selecting that tool in the Vision process and pressing the Delete command. The tool will be removed from the process. The Vision tool will not be removed from the project when it is removed from a process. If you want to run all Vision tools in a process, simply select the process and press the Run button. It will execute all tools in the process one time. If you want to run the process continuously, press the Continuous Execution button. Press the Stop Continuous Mode button to halt the execution. Selecting a Vision process and pressing the Copy button allows you to create a copy of a process. This only creates a new listing of the Vision tools. It does not create copies of the Vision tools themselves. You can press the Delete button to remove the selected process. Vision tools can also be copied by selecting them in the Vision tool section and pressing the Vision tool toolbar Copy button. You can delete the selected Vision tool by pressing the Delete button on the Vision tool toolbar.